Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I have one laptop over here, Dell. The model number is Inspiron N5050. I just installed the Windows 10, okay, and after install the drivers, it's working fine. What is the issue? When I restart the laptop, you can see I restart it. Right after restart, you will see there will be no display. Okay, look, it's booting up. It's booting up right now. Okay, now you can see, suppose it should appear here welcome or icons. There is no display. Laptop is working. Okay, there is no problem in the laptop. You can see the lights. Laptop is working fine. There is no display. I will press the power button. Okay, it's gone to sleep mode. Will press power button again. It will awake. Okay, now it's working. The issue is what in Windows 10, this model N5050 Inspiron, right after VGA installation, graphics card, when we will install graphics card, right after the boot, restart the machine, the display gone. Just we have to press the power button, the laptop will go to sleep mode, then we will press power button again, it will awake, then you can see your desktop. So how to fix this issue, today I will tell you. Stay with me, watch the complete video. Actually the issue is what this laptop is an old model, the old firmware. It is not compatible with Windows 10. So I will tell you how to make it compatible with Windows 10 and this display issue will be fixed. Open the Google Chrome and go to the Dell official website, or you can just type over here the model number of the laptop. I will type N5050. Oh, actually it's Arabic language, I will convert to English. N5050 Dell drivers. Okay, you can see no internet. First of all, we will connect the internet. Okay, now press enter. We have to go to the official website of Dell. This is the model support for Inspiron N5050. I will go to the website, go to the download section. Okay, we will go to the download section, and you can see even it's not supporting Windows 10 also. Okay, so hold on, no need to do anything, just press BIOS. It will show the latest BIOS version. You can see the latest BIOS is the date is for this 10 June 2020, 8 June 2020, 27 October 2011. So these two are the latest BIOS. So Dell's BIOS and Inspiron 5040. So we will install this BIOS, the first one. Okay, I will download this firmware. We will update the BIOS. To fix this issue, we have to update the BIOS. Guys, make sure that your computer is plugged with the power and battery is fully charged, because if you will interrupt this update process, I will run this file. If you will interrupt this process, it can dead your laptop. So you have to make sure that power is connected fine. You can see the message over here also. To ensure that no other programs interfere with the BIOS update process, it is highly recommended to close all other programs before you continue. So just follow the instructions, press OK, start flash, press OK. I started the flash process. Okay, it's asking the AC adapter battery must be plugged before BIOS can be flash. Press OK when they both plugged. I will press OK. Oh, you know what, this my laptop have no battery, so just let me fix the battery. There is no battery plugged, then I will start this process. So hold on, give me a second and I will plug the battery. Yes guys, I press plug the battery. Now I will press OK. Okay, now that it didn't give any message. You can see the process has been started. So you have to be careful that during this process your laptop should not be turned off, because it's sensitive work. It can damage your BIOS, and in case if your BIOS get damaged, you have to remove motherboard outside and you have to manually you have to update the BIOS using the firmware updater machine. So you can see it's writing the blocks. You have to wait a little here, let it complete. Some laptops, Dell old models laptops, uh, cause this issue in only Windows 10. If you use Windows 8 or 8.1 or 7, there is no issue. Actually, the graphics card is not compatible with Windows 10 in BIOS only. So you have to update the BIOS. Hope you understand the process. Uh, if you have any question, ask me in the comments. I will give the answers. This the laptop right now I have 5050 Inspiron, and the other models like 4010, 5040 have the same problems. So if any laptop you install Windows 10 and after the boot up there is no display, you have to use the same options. Just go to the official website of Dell and download the latest firmware, latest BIOS file, and just install it. Meanwhile, you have to see your laptop should be plugged, the power cord and power battery also. Yes, it's done almost. It will restart automatically now. Yes, it's restarting the machine. The laptop is a little dirty, so don't mind. You can see it's booting up, successfully updated, and look, there is a display now. Okay guys, I repeat again, the issue was before, right after installation of Windows 10, when the computer restarts, the display is gone. So this is the way to fix the display of Dell Inspiron old models. Hope you understand the method. If you have question, you can ask me in the comments. Okay guys, take care, bye. Again I repeat, make sure that your power should be connected.